Everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. Thank you for joining me today. I do hope that you are having a great new year. This is actually the first painting of the new year, not my first video, but my first painting. So I am going to start it off with a cloud pour. I've got my 6-ounce cloud pour cup here that I will be using. And I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas, and I've got my colors here. And the colors that I'm using, for those of you that don't know, I also have a Facebook group called Acrylic Pouring with Friends as well. And I just started, for this month, I just started a contest in my group, a monthly contest. And the technique was any technique that you wanted. I kind of wanted to start out a little easy for the first one. Pick whichever one you like, but I did pick out some colors. So the colors that I picked out are gold, and I've got DecoArt 24 karat gold. Let me see, there's the container there. And then I have also got Prussian blue from Amsterdam, and there's the tube. My next color is turquoise, and that is from the Fine Touch. And then I have from Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. There's that one. And then in the rules I said you could also add black and white if you would like. And so for my white, I am using my cloud pour mix, and that is Bare Satin Enamel with Vallejo Pearl Medium. So the way that I mix that is I take 2 ounces of the Bare Satin Enamel with 1 ounce of Vallejo Pearl Medium, 2 ounces of Floetrol, 1 tablespoon of the Golden GAC800, and then roughly a cap of water. Depends on how big your cap is, but like a normal size water bottle cap, and then mix it up and you're good to go. All right, so like I said, I do have my 6-ounce cloud pour cup, and also for you guys, again, if you want to enter the contest, to go ahead and go over to my Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. If you haven't joined already, go ahead and join. I'll get you in there. And then the post is pinned at the top, so you can read the rules. Make sure you post your photo in that pinned post. And then at the end of the month, I will count up all the likes. Whichever photo has the most likes is the winner, and I am giving away a $15 gift card to Blick. Now every month it might be a little different prize, so it's gonna be fun, and go on over there and join. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get my caps off the bottles here, and we're gonna get started. So for those of you also that don't know, if you're new to my channel, I make these lovely 3D printed acrylic pouring tools, and this is one of my newer cups, my cloud pour cup. There's 2 separate chambers here in the front, and then you've got the main chamber back here. The total ounces is 6 ounces in the cup. The front 2 chambers each hold 1 tablespoon per side. All right. So for this one, I am only going to put my cloud mix on in one side. I'm gonna do 2 colors in the front. I'm gonna go with the Amsterdam Prussian blue. Let me see. And then I'm gonna, well, I guess I'm not gonna go. I filled that up a little more full than I wanted, but that's okay. So I was gonna put gold in there, but I think I'll just wait on that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start, I'm gonna fill it this way. Start filling the inside chamber. I'm gonna start with my turquoise. Leave that lid off there. Okay. And I think now I'll put a little bit of gold. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to layer these. Let's see, I'll put a little more gold. I don't know, sometimes the DecoArt gold tends to take over. We'll see what happens. I want to, the last couple of cloud pour videos that I did, I used gold and I used copper in the front chambers with the cloud mix, and I got some really pretty gold and copper lined clouds. They like highlighted the clouds. Super pretty. So if you missed those, go check those out because they really did turn out super pretty. So, and the colors that I chose for the contest and of course today, they're just some of my favorite colors to work with. So that's kind of why I chose them for my first Facebook contest. Let's see here. All right, almost there. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. Maybe one more squirt of gold. I probably have way too much gold, but you know, sometimes I get excited about it and I just maybe overdo it a bit, but whatever. All right, let me move these. All right. And I think what I'm also going to do is, since I have more of the turquoise, I'm just gonna go ahead and put just a little bit down, let me move this, on the canvas first. I don't always do that, but because I'm gonna need a little bit more than 6 ounces for this size of canvas, I'm just gonna go ahead and just add a little bit. And I may have to add a little bit to the corners, we'll see. But I'm just gonna start out with that, so. And I've already got paint like all over my arms. All right, guys. right, guys, so here it is dry, and I think it dried amazing. That gold just shimmers through the whole painting. I've got some cool looking rainbows in there. The turquoise is actually a little bit brighter. I was kind of having a hard time getting the perfect photo, but once I varnish it, that turquoise will actually pop back as well. So I would love to hear what you guys think. Make sure to leave me a comment below. And if you got anything out of my video today, to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. And make sure, guys, to check out my group, Acrylic Pouring with Friends, on Facebook. You can join the contest. More details are in the pinned post. All right, guys, I've got a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy, and I will catch you in the next one.